Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps closing on the application of Pokemon Go. Here we go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about the application of Pokemon Go and you will click in this list. You will click here on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us